Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the mathematics class. In this class, you will learn about the chapter cubes and cube roots. Today I will discuss about cube roots and how to find the cube root of perfect cube by using prime factorization method. We know that when a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, the product so obtained is called the cube of that number. For example, 1 cube means 1 is multiplied by 1 3 times and the product obtained here is 1. Similarly, 2 cube means 2 is multiplied by 2 3 times and the product obtained is 8. So that is 2 cube is 8. Also 3 cube means 3 is multiplied by 3 times. So the product obtained is 27. So from these examples, here we can see that cube of 2 is 8. That means 2 cube is equal to 8. Then oppositely we can say that the cube root of 8 is 2. And we write it as the cube root of 8 is 2. And we write it as cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So the symbol of cube root is denoted by this. This is the symbol. As we have learned that finding the square root is the inverse operations of squaring, similarly finding the cube root is the inverse operations of finding the cube. Thus, we can say that a number x is the cube root of a number y if y is equals to x cube, which implies cube root of y is equals to x. So in other words, we can say that the cube root of a number y is that number, say x, whose cube gives y. For example, cube of 5, that is 5 cube, is equals to 125. Then cube root of 125 is equals to 5. Thus, cube root of a number y is denoted by the symbol cube root of y, or we can also denote it by y to the power 1 by 3. So cube root of y is also called a radical, y is called the radicand, and 3 is called the index of the radical. All we know that a natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. Now look at this table. In this table, in the first column, the first 10 natural number is shown. In the second column, the cube of the first 10 natural number is shown here. That is 1 cube equals to 1, 2 cube equals to 8, 3 cube equals to 27. In this way, 10 cube equals to 1000. Up to 10 cube it is shown here. In the third column, all these cube numbers is written separately. That is 1, 8, 27, 64. These are called perfect cubes because these are the cube of natural number. Now in the fourth column, cube roots of this perfect cube number is shown. All we know how to find the cube of a given number. Let's see how this cube roots of perfect cube number is coming. Let us take any of this cube roots number. Let us take cube roots of 64. Now if we write cube roots of 64, now in this table 64 means 4 cube. So in place of 64 we can easily write 4 cube. Now this cube root symbol can be also written as 4 cube to the power 1 by 3. And this is equal to 4 to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. This 3 will cancel out. 4 to the power 1 means 4. Since we know a to the power m whole to the power n is equals to a to the power m into n. So using this property, we can easily get that cube roots of 64 is equals to 4. Similarly, cube roots of 729 is equals to cube roots of 9 cube, that means 9. So we can easily find the cube roots of a given perfect cube if we know that given perfect cube number is the cube of which number. Also from this table, we can say that finding the cube roots is the inverse operations of finding the cube. Let us see some important properties. The first, cube root of product of integers. Now if a and b are any two integers, then cube roots of a into b is equals to cube roots of a multiplied by cube roots of b. For example, cube roots of 125 multiplied by 27, this can be written as cube roots of 125 multiplied by cube roots of 27. And we know that 125 is the cube of 5. So this can be written as, in place of 125 we will write 5 cube, and in place of 27 we will write 3 cube, because 3 cube gives 27. So this becomes 5 multiplied by 3, that means 15. Now the second important property is cube root of a rational number. For any rational number a by b, cube roots of a by b is equals to cube root of a divided by cube root of b. For example, cube roots of 216 by 343 is equal to cube roots of 216 by cube root of 343. We know 216 is the cube of 6. So in place of 216 we can write 6 cube, divided by cube roots of 343 is the cube of 7. So in place of that we will write 7 cube. So that becomes 6 by 7. So in this way we can, by using this property, we can easily find the cube roots of a given rational number, or the cube roots of the product of given integers. Let us find out the cube roots of a negative perfect cube. Let a be a positive integer, then minus a is a negative integer. Therefore, minus a whole cube is equals to, minus a can be written as minus 1 multiplied by a whole to the power 3. And this equals to minus 1 whole cube into a cube, because we know that ab whole cube means a cube into b cube. So that means this minus whole cube means minus into multiplied by a cube. Therefore, minus a whole cube is equals to minus a cube. So cube roots of minus a cube is equals to cube roots of, in place of minus we can write minus 1 whole cube into a cube. Since cube roots of a cube into b cube is equals to cube roots of a cube into cube roots of b cube. So from this we can write cube roots of minus 1 whole cube into cube roots of a cube. That gives cube roots of minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into cube roots of a cube. So that becomes minus into cube roots of a cube is equals to minus a. So from this we can write cube roots of minus a cube is equals to minus of cube roots of a cube is equals to minus a. Now let us find out the cube roots of minus 125 and cube roots of minus 1000. As we have seen that cube roots of minus a cube is equals to minus of cube roots of a cube is equals to minus a. So from this we can write cube roots of minus 125 is equals to minus of cube roots of 125, and that is equals to minus of cube roots of 125 means 5 cube. So from this we can write this is equals to minus of 5. So cube roots of minus 125 is equals to minus 5. Come to the next question. Cube roots of minus 1000, that is equals to minus of cube roots of 1000, and that is equals to minus of cube roots of 1000 means we know that is a cube of 10. So this becomes minus 10. Let's see how to find the cube root of a perfect cube by using prime factorization method. The following steps to be followed. The first, we write the given number. The second, we express the given number as the product of its prime factors. After that, we make groups of equal prime factors in triples. Then we find the product of prime factors taking one factor from each triples. After that, the product so obtained is the required cube root of the given number. So these are the following steps that we will follow when we will find the cube roots of the given perfect cube number. So let's see some example to understand the method. Let us see one example. Find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, the first question is 10648. So we have to find the cube roots of 10648. The given number is 10648. Now expressing 10648 as the product of its prime factors. Here all possible prime factors of the given number is shown as the unit digits of the given number is even. So we start our divisions by prime number 2. Again it is coming 5324, which is again an even number. So again we divide it by 2. It is coming 2662. So again it is coming even number. So we divide it by 2, which is coming 1331. We know 1331 is the cube of 11. So we divide it by 11. Here it is coming 121. Again we divide it by 11. Here it is coming, here the quotient is coming 11. So again it will divisible by 11. So at last we are getting here 1. So that means here we got all possible prime factors of the given number. So after expressing the expressing the given number as the product of its all possible prime factors, then we arrange the equal prime factors in triples. We find that this number is written as 2 cube. That means this is first triple and this is second triple. But that means 3 2s and 3 11s are there. So that means we can write it as 10648 is equals to 2 cube multiplied by 11 cube. So here we can see that no other factor is left. That means the given number is a perfect cube. So it is so therefore cube roots of 10648 will be equals to cube roots of 2 cube multiplied by 11 cube. So this can be written as 2 multiplied by 11, that is 22. So that means the cube roots of the given number is 22. So in this way we can easily get the cube roots of the given numbers by using prime factorization method. Let's see another questions. Cube roots of 27,000. So expressing 27,000 as the product of its prime factors, we get here 27,000 means we can write it as 27 multiplied by 1000, which becomes 3 cube multiplied by 10 cube. So 3 cube, we know 10 can be written as 2 multiplied by 5 whole cube. That means 3 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. Here the given number is expressed as the product of its prime factors, where each of the factor appears 3 times. So this is a perfect cube number. Now we have to find the cube roots of this number. So cube roots of 27000 is equal to cube root of this product of its prime factor, that means 3 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. So which we can write it as cube roots of 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 whole cube. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 whole cube to the power whole cube to the power 1 by 3. So this 3 will cancel out. So this becomes 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5, which becomes 6 5s are 30. So therefore cube roots of 27000 is equals to 30. So in this way we can find out the cube roots of a given perfect cubes. Let's see the third questions, that cube roots of 175616. Here all possible prime factors of the given number is already shown. As the given number ends with 6, which is an even number, so it will be always divisible by 2. So we start our divisions by 2. Here we are getting the quotient as 87808, which is again an even number, so it will again divisible by 2. So in this way we are getting up to this step all are even numbers. After that it is coming 343. So here the unit place, we know this number is a cube of 7, so it will divisible by 7. So here it is coming 49, which is again divisible by 7. So at last we are getting 7, which is a prime number. So therefore we can express the given number as the product of its prime number as, so 175,616 is equals to, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total there are 9 2's. So we write it as 2 to the power 9 multiplied by 7 cube. And this we can write it as 2 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 2 cube multiplied by 7 cube. As we know, at the time of multiplication, if base are same, then power will be added. So after adding 3 plus 3 plus 3, we get the power as 9. So this we will find the cube roots of the given number, that is 175616. This is equals to cube roots of the product of its prime factors. Here we can see that each of the prime factors appears 3 times. That means the given number is a perfect cube. So we express the given number as the product of its prime number. After writing, we will take one factor from each triples. So that means here 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. That means it is coming 8, it is coming 8 multiplied by 7, that equals to 56. So here we are getting the cube roots of the given number as 56. So in this way you can try the other questions which is given in your book. I hope all of you understood the method. So in next class we will discuss more about the cube roots of the numbers. So thank you all of you and have a nice day.